Okay, an expensive fencing along the lot's length costs $20 per foot. And inexpensive fences along the two sides cost $8 per foot. So two sides, $8 per foot, $20 per foot, right? The total cost of fencing the three sides come to, so when they fence this, this, and this, it comes up to that, right? Okay, what are the lot's dimension? All right. Now let's go back to the beginning of the problem. A rectangular lot whose perimeter means here plus this plus this. So y plus x plus y, right? Then they're counting this side. This is just shrubbery or some bush or stones or something there. So this is y plus x plus y equal what? 360. That's the perimeter in the distance around. That's what perimeter means. The perimeter of this here is this plus this plus this plus this. But in this case, we're not counting this back part, okay? Because they didn't give us any dimension. They didn't tell if this is x or y, so we're not counting this. So the perimeter is this plus this plus this. So follow me now. Y plus x plus y. You see that? All right, so y plus x plus y equal what? 360. We need to bring this down, simplify this. So it's 2y plus x is equal to 360. And we now want to put our right. Taking their language. Yes, I must put in standard form. So I'm going to put x plus 2y equal 360. So that's one of the equations we're looking for.
And here's where you lost me. Okay.
Yeah.
In the previous question, you said find two things that look alike. Like, I'm thinking I automatically went to the fence. I automatically like, what?
Okay,
what
but you see, in this problem, they give you x and y. So those are the two things we're gonna solve for. They ask you, what are the lot's dimension? What are the length and the width? They didn't spell it out. The dimension here means the length and the width, but they already put it in terms of y and x for you. They could have asked, what is the length of the lot and what is the width of the lot. But because they give you this picture and already put the y and the x, you know it's the x and y they're solving for. So they give you this as the perimeter, and the perimeter is just adding up the distance around. Y plus x plus y. Y plus y is 2y and x, all right? So that's the perimeter. They're adding up the side, the length, and the other side. Back here is just bushes or stones or something, so they're asking to work that out. That's why they label it for you. Okay, now, they talk about the cost. They talk about the cost. So we want another equation with cost. They say an inexpensive fencing along the two sides costs $8. So $8 per foot and $8 per foot, right? So that's the y part, right? It's $8 per foot, so it's 2 times 8. What about the expensive part? It's $20 per foot. So it's $20 to do the length side. $20 per foot, so it's 20 times, sorry, this is $20x plus 2 times 8 times y. 2y, right? Why is the cost for, the length for the width? It's 2y, y plus y, that's 2y, right? And it costs $8. And the total cost comes up to how much? $32.80.
I mean, 32.
So this is your second equation. This is the perimeter, x plus this, and it comes up to 360 feet. That's the perimeter. The cost of it is 20, this is for the length, 20 times x. The width is $8 per foot, so 2 times 8 times y, and that comes up to 32.80. So what the perimeter means you're adding up all around, okay? And they tell you what the perimeter is, 360, and then they give you the cost to fence it, and this is the cost to fence it. 20 times x plus 2 times 8, $8 per foot times y equal to that. So if you have to solve this, what do I need to multiply this top equation by?
-8.
-8 would be the easiest thing. So if I multiply this by -8, I would have -8x minus what? 16y. Persons with their calculator, -8 times 360.
-2,888.
To what?
2,888.
80?
880.
And the second equation would be 20x plus 16y equal, this is minus, right?
Yes.
So these two cancel. This gives me with what? 16x. What does this value give me? $32.80 minus 2,880.
400.
Huh? 400?
400.
So x is equal to what?
Isn't that a negative?
This is 3280 minus 2880.
Yes.
So then you subtract it.
Right.
So that's gonna be 400.
How much is it?
25.
You give me the values, you know, so better be correct.
It's supposed to be 12.
Yeah, that's supposed to be 12.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is supposed to be 12x.
Yes.
12x is equal to,
It's a decimal. It's a decimal.
It's a decimal.
no, we're not supposed to have any decimal, so you guys give me some bogus figure here.
Right.
No, I'm not answering any question to you guys, work this out properly for me. What is 360 multiplied by -8? I'm come back to you, Ms. Riley, but I want, somebody is not working out something correctly here. 360 multiplied by -8.
It's -2,880. That's what you had.
2,880.
Yeah.
And when you add 3280 to it, what do you have?
400.
400?
Yes.
I think
And then 12 divided into this, give me what?
33.
No, we shouldn't have any decimal there.
Because
I think
-8
we're
plus
supposed
20
to
is 12.
assume that because perimeter, a rectangle has four sides.
But it tells you
No,
something.
but then